Good morning, students. Now today we'll do study of chapter 7, sports injuries, its classification, causes and prevention. There are various types of common sports injuries which are as follows: soft tissues injuries, bone injuries and joint injuries. So first we will go through soft tissues injuries. There are following types of soft tissues injuries: contusion, strain, sprain, and abrasion. So first, contusion. Contusion is muscle injuries, a direct hit with or without any sports equipment can be the reason of contusion. Contusion is common in boxing, wrestling, and kabaddi. And now we'll come to its sign and symptoms: swelling and pain on the contused part, stiffness over the area, discoloration under skin. This start from redness to turning blue or black gradually. And now we'll come to second injury, that is strain. It is a muscle injury. This injury causes tearing or overstretching of muscle fiber. Mostly sudden overstretching in athletics causes tearing of quadriceps, gymnastics, weightlifting, track and field. And now we'll come to its sign and symptoms: swelling in the area, pain in moving the body part such as arm or leg, loss of strength in movement. And now we'll come to third injury, that is sprain. It is a ligament injuries. It may occur due to overstretching or tearing of ligament. Generally, sprain occurs at the wrist joint and ankle joint. In such injuries, swelling, inflammation, severe pain, and tenderness are common symptoms. And now we'll come to its sign and symptoms. Swelling on the spot, acute pain at the injured spot, softness at the spot, and pain on touching. And now we'll come to fourth injury, that is abrasion. Abrasion is a superficial injury of skin. Abrasion occurs due to friction with certain equipment or fall over the area where the bone is very close to skin. It occurs to the upper part of the skin. Such injuries occur in sports like wrestling, football, cricket, hockey, and track and field, etc. And now we'll come to its sign and symptoms. Scraping of skin with some burning pain, some bleeding or oozing at the abrasion spot. And now we'll come to next injury, that is known as laceration. A injury that causes an irregular cut on skin is called laceration. This cut takes the form of wound. Laceration may have bleeding and mild pain. Deep laceration usually have severe bleeding and pain. Tear in skin, bleeding wounds, etc. are the symptoms of laceration. And now we'll come to next injury, that is known as incision. Incision tend to heal sooner than laceration. Incision are cut on skin with sharp edges which can bleed freely. Usually these cuts are made from sharp cutting object such as broken glass. And now we will come to bone injuries. Here is two types of injuries in the bone: dislocation and fracture. So first we will go to fracture. Fracture is a broken bone or cracked bone mainly caused by terrible force due to accident. It is a cause due to direct or indirect impact, collision, falls, accident, etc. In different sports, fracture can be characterized as follows: simple fracture, compound or open fracture, green stick fractures, comminuted fractures, impacted fractures, complicated fractures, stress fractures, transverse fractures, and oblique bone fractures. Now, symptoms of this: there is a several pain, swelling, numbness, tiredness, and bruising at the site of the fracture. The affected parts are painful and cannot be moved easily. And now we will come to joint injuries. Dislocation of a joint is a main injury. Intact, it is a dislocation of surface of bones. There are following types of dislocations. Dislocations. When the bones displaced from its original position, it is called dislocation. Dislocation is main injuries of joint. And now we'll come to its symptoms. Intense pain, total loss of functioning, swelling of the joints, tenderness, maybe temporary paralysis of the injured limb, etc.